Did some work to the F150. Made a tailgate, kinda. I took my old one off because it was all beat up, rusty, and it was making noise, clunking around when I was going over bumps, and it was just pissing me off, so I threw it out. And I just had one of those nets on the back. I still have like the brackets, but yeah, I had one of those nets on the back, and it just didn't have like peace of mind when I had a motorcycle back here, and I wanted something more sturdier than just that net, so I made this. Just some steel lying around and these hinges I bought, and I just lined the hinges up with this body line on the back. They all have this line in the F150s. Just line it up there, drill your holes. Yeah. And Bob is your uncle. Like, this is old like metal water piping I found in the basement. And I made these latches, and you just put a 3/8 bolt through there. A factory hole. Didn't drill nothing. So yeah, I just use a bolt, and I take the nut off, take the bolt out, latch falls down. It's held up by these chains, these eye bolts, some carabiners. I think these ones are like 500 pounds a piece, so pretty sturdy. And the chains, they just bolt into this. I just bolted them in that factory bolt, in that hole there. I was gonna say bolt hole, it's not actually a bolt hole. But there's a hole there, and I just put the bolt through there. And the other side of it is actually the nut from a torsion key bolt from when I had that 94 Chevy. I did the torsion keys on those. And there's the bolt for that latch. All factory holes. Only holes I drilled were the ones down here. Yeah, and that's it for that tailgate. I put these mirrors on. Cleans it up, I think. This looks like she got a haircut compared to these big old highway mirrors. Yeah. Happy the way it turned out. Oh, if this helps you guys out, you can steal my idea, I don't care. Right on. Later.